Did you know that there is a town in Indiana called Santa Claus? And that town has a theme park called Holiday World.
Holiday World and Splash and Safari. It's a family thing.
I'm Sean from Come Along with Sean. When I was researching all the new rides coming out this year, there was one ride that stood out to me. Good Gravy. Good Gravy is a roller coaster expected to open this May, and its theme is gravy? Guests will ride in a gravy boat and travel through a can of cranberry jelly in order to save Thanksgiving dinner. According to the website, this ride will have the whole family saying, "Gee Willikers, that's some good gravy." Reading about this ride got me thinking, where could a coaster like this exist? And why? Turns out there is a whole amusement park themed to the biggest holidays of the year. Opened in 1946, the idea for the park came with a man that visited the town of Santa Claus, Indiana, only to be disappointed when there was no Santa Claus there. He wanted a place where kids could visit Santa Claus year-round, and Santa Claus Land was born. Originally, the park was just a place for kids to see Santa, but it has expanded a lot over the years. In the 80s, the park introduced more holidays into the theme park and changed its name to Holiday World, and is now split into 4 sections for Christmas, Halloween, the 4th of July, and of course, Thanksgiving. And there is also an attached water park themed to a safari, which, believe it or not, has been ranked one of the best water parks in the country. Each of the holiday lands plays music for the different holidays, has rides themed for the different holidays, and has mascots for the holidays. It looks like an interesting park, to say the least, and hopefully I can check it out someday. Have any of you guys been to Holiday World? Let me know in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe for all the latest theme park news. See ya soon. Nice!